Achoo. Oh, oh, sorry. Achoo.
Welcome back to another video. So today we have Sneezing on Strangers part 2. So I want to let you know that I make an extra hole, but I don't know if it works, so let's find out. If you want to see in the future more Sneezing on Strangers, subscribe and leave your like. Look.
What? What the fuck?
I hope it works. Let's get it.
Achoo. Achoo. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
You okay?
Oh, sorry, man. Too much sick.
Really coming out?
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh my god.
1 hour later.
Achoo. Oh. Oops. Oops, sorry. Achoo. Achoo. Shit. Oh my god.
5 hours later. "72 hours later."